Today we've got the spotlight on Albury-Wodonga, a thriving Twin City region on the New South Wales and Victorian border that's fast emerging as a standout location for property investors. Situated on the banks of the Murray River, Albury-Wodonga is strategically located within the Sydney, Melbourne and Canberra triangle. The two cities sit just 310 kilometres from Melbourne, 350 kilometres from Canberra and 620 kilometres from Sydney, making them a central hub for commerce, transport and lifestyle. The appeal of Albury-Wodonga is that it combines affordability with a great lifestyle. Residents enjoy vibrant community life along the Murray River, excellent transport connectivity through ongoing road and rail upgrades, and quick access to major capital cities. Add in nearby attractions like the Snowy Mountains and strong regional tourism, and it's easy to see why this region is attracting more attention from both families and investors. Albury-Wodonga is home to more than 103,000 residents across the two major cities and over 142,000 when including surrounding areas. Both centres are growing rapidly, with Albury expected to top 78,000 people and Wodonga forecast to pass 52,000 people by 2046. Growth precincts such as Leneva, Barranuda and Thurgoona-Willinga are set to add thousands of new homes over the next 2 decades. Albury-Wodonga has built a diverse and resilient economy with a gross regional product exceeding $7 billion. Healthcare and social assistance is the largest employer, while education and training is also significant thanks to Charles Sturt University, Trobe University, TAFE campuses and the UNSW Rural Clinical School. Manufacturing and logistics are thriving too, with major players like Mars, Wilson Transformer, Visy, Asahi and Geofabrics based in the region. Construction and government services round out the picture, and a strong defence presence adds another layer of stability. Now let's talk real estate. Median house prices range from just $480,000 in North Albury up to $886,000 in Albury itself. While Wodonga sits in the middle around $576,000, units are even more affordable with prices starting at $317,000 in Lavington and climbing to $452,000 in Albury. This means buyers can choose between entry-level affordability in Wodonga or stronger prestige appeal north of the river. Over the past 5 years, property values across the region have risen more than 60%. Suburbs like Lavington and North Albury have recorded double-digit annual growth, with standout performers such as East Albury seeing 20% unit price growth in the past year alone. The rental market is equally as compelling for investors. Vacancy rates are extremely tight, generally around 1% or even lower, with West Wodonga recording vacancies as low as 0.3% for units. House rents typically sit between $480 and $620 a week, while units range from $350 to $390 a week. Yields are very healthy too, with most houses returning between 4 and 5% and units often pushing up 6%. Looking ahead, the pipeline of infrastructure and development projects is remarkable. The $558 million Albury-Wodonga Regional Hospital redevelopment will deliver state-of-the-art facilities. The $31.4 billion Inland Rail project is enhancing freight and connectivity along from Melbourne to Brisbane corridor. Junction Place in Wodonga CBD is being transformed into one of Australia's largest regional renewal projects, bringing new homes, retail and hospitality to the city centre. On top of this, there are major residential estates in Thurgoona, Barranuda and Willinga, renewable energy projects like the $655 million hydrogen plant and large-scale solar farms, and major industrial hubs such as Logic Wodonga and Nexus Albury. Together, these initiatives are reshaping the region and fueling its long-term economic strength. Albury-Wodonga offers the rare combination of affordability, a fast-growing population, economic diversity and a tight rental market. Add to that record infrastructure investment and you're onto a winner. These are the hallmarks of a long-term property hotspot. For savvy investors, Albury-Wodonga is a location that's well worth your attention.